Express each number as a product of its prime factors. Product of its prime factors. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 10 is a product of 2 and 5. 6 is a product of 3 and 2. We can take any other number. 36 is a product of 6 and 6. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗೋದಾದರೆ ಆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆನ್ಸರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ಸಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದು product of its prime factors. 3 and 2 are the prime numbers. Is this a product of its prime number 36? No, this is not a product of its prime number. It is just a product of some number. But it's not a product of its prime number. Can we write this as a product of its prime number? Yes, we can. 36 can be written as, I have written 6 as 2 3s are, another 6 also as 2 3s are. So we are getting 36 as a product of its prime number in this case. When the question is express each number as a product of its prime factors, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 140. Now if there is any number, how do I know this number is divided by a particular number? To know this, there is a simple trick. If the number ends with even number, now there is 140 here. This is ending with 0. If a number ends with even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the number ends with any of these numbers or any of these digits, then it is divided by 2. It is divisible by 2. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Let's start factorization with 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now in 35, is 5 an even number? No, it is not an even number. So how do I know which number it goes with? So we know it does not go by 2. So what is the next prime number we know? Let's check if it is divisible by 3. How do I check that? Now what is the sum of this 3 and 5? 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? No, 8 is not divisible by 3. So 35 is also not divisible by 3. After 2, 3, what is the next prime number we have? We have 5. So let's check if it is divisible by 5. So if any number ends with 0 and 5, it is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. We know 7 is a prime number, so 7 1s are 7. So 140 can be expressed as a product of 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. We are writing only the prime numbers and in ascending order. So how many times 2 is repeated? 2 is repeated 2 times. So 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1 because 5 is repeated once. 7 to the power 1 because 7 is also repeated once. So this is your answer. 140 can be expressed as a product of 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1.